Hello. And now we're in chapter 3, and it's on integers. And in the book, it's on page 191, so follow along. And the essential question is, what happens when you add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers? Well, I guess the obvious question is, what's an integer? And an integer is a fancy way of saying a whole number. And they can be positive and they can be negative, like -1, 1, 2, -2, and whatever. As long as it's a whole number, it's an integer. And the other vocabulary word that you're going to need is absolute value. And absolute value it's a fancy word again for the distance from the number to 0. So if the number is, here's your graph, here's your 0. So if it's 1, the distance between 1 and 0 is 1. But if it's -1 over here, the distance is still 1. So the absolute value of 1, and absolute value looks like kind of a goalpost of -1. That means the distance between -1 and 0, and the answer is 1. So it kind of looks like a goalpost, so look for that in your book. Thank you. Bye-bye.